Yes, I'm Roman and today we are in Brussels at Comic Con. I'm super excited to be here and as you can see there are a lot of people. Watashi wa Roman desu to Shinigami desu. Ore ga kujikeru koto wa zetai ni nai. Alright, so I've had to come back outside because I wanted to join the line, which is right. I didn't want to just go in front of someone. And the line is super long. However, they're giving us free drinks. It's going to take a long time to get in.
Link start!
Hi everyone, I'm Olaf, and I like warm hugs.
Oh wow. Okay, so ureshi desu. It was my first time trying onigiri and it wasn't really bad. And according to my Japanese friend, it's actually 6 or 7 out of 10 in comparison to Japan, so that's pretty good. And what made it interesting to me was when I ate the seaweed with it, the taste changed completely, which is interesting, amazing. So yeah, that's something I would recommend. Yeah, yakisoba. Okay, so this is yakisoba. And it's a traditional Japanese dish that you eat during certain festivals. Based on my Japanese friend's opinion, when you make a comparison between what's authentic in Japan and what was done here, then the score is 4 because the flavors aren't quite the same. But for me, it was okay. Here is where you have the actors who play the specific roles and you can get an autograph or something. Oh wow, it's really nice. I don't know all of these, but I see Back to the Future and that guy, wow, he's still alive. Yep, that's that famous guy. So there will be a match apparently. And the stage is there, but I'm not sure if I'll stay that long. Alright, so that is it for my video today at Comic Con. It was super cool, my first time coming here, and it's interesting. I met lots of different people, took some photos, I'll perhaps put them somewhere. So I'm super excited, and I hope to come back here maybe next year or another time. So with that said, if you enjoyed, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Ciao. So, ザキに死ね